Hi again, this is Miss Lourdes, and in this video we will be drawing in 2-point perspective. So this is very similar to when we learned 1-point perspective, but this time we will be using 2 vanishing points. At the end, this is how your drawing might look. So grab a pencil and some paper, and let's begin. For this project, you will also be needing a ruler. First, we're going to do some practice before we begin drawing any buildings. So the first thing we have to do is place our vanishing points. I am measuring 2.5 inches from the edge of the paper to make sure my points are on the same level. Once you do that, add a point on each side of your paper. And there you have 2 vanishing points. So we will begin by drawing a vertical line, which will be the corner of our form. From there, connect the edge of the line to the closest vanishing point. Don't connect the points, just draw a line that does not reach the point. And now you will do the same, but with the farthest vanishing point. Now here we will draw 2 vertical lines to finish the form off. Alright, the second form we will make will be higher than the vanishing points. So let's first make a vertical line. Now let's use the vanishing points just like we did with the other form. Now draw 2 vertical lines to finish off the form. As you can see, this form requires a bottom side to it, so we will use the nearest point to make a line and the farthest point to make the last line. And now you've drawn a form that looks like you're looking up at it from above. Now let's make a form that is lower than your vanishing points. So just follow along. And there you have it. These are the types of forms you can create using 2 vanishing points. Now let's draw some buildings using the same method. Let's draw some vanishing points again. So before I start drawing any buildings, I'm going to draw a sidewalk. You can watch if you want first and then do it, so that it makes more sense. I'm going to cross or overlap the lines right here. So now that you've drawn your sidewalk, let's draw the first building right at the corner of this sidewalk. So let's start with a vertical line and use the vanishing points from there. Also using the vanishing points, I'm going to draw some windows, so just follow along. Also going to draw an entrance to this building using the vanishing points as well. Now let's go ahead and draw a building right next to this one, starting with a vertical line. Now let's draw some windows, just like we did the other windows. On this one I decided to do a protruding entrance, so just follow along. Now let's draw a building that's behind the first one we drew. Let's draw one more building in the background. That's it. Now that you've started this drawing, add more buildings to the sides or the background. Add some trees or details to the road as well if you'd like. That's it for now. See you next time.